Welcome to Magical Vacation Services, where your dream vacation begins before you even leave home. Why worry about grocery shopping when you can kickstart the fun with our magical grocery delivery service right to your Orlando resort? With just a simple order, you can focus on making unforgettable memories instead of running to the store. We offer several ways to shop, ensuring there's something to fit everyone's needs. Introducing our grocery list packages. Just a few clicks and everything you need is bundled in one convenient and affordable package. Choose from breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snack options. From a quick breakfast to power up your park day to a delightful dinner to prepare in your villa, we've got it covered. But that's not all. You can also fill your cart with individual grocery items to create your own personalized grocery list. We have everything from milk to orange juice to sunscreen and rain ponchos, plus some fun Disney and Universal themed goodies to sprinkle a little magic into your stay. Didn't find what you're looking for? No problem. Just let us know at the end of your order and we'll send you a custom invoice for those specific items. No extra fees, just our all-inclusive affordable shopping and delivery fee. Prefer to send us your list? We're here for you. This option is perfect for guests with special dietary needs or specific items unavailable at the parks. You'll have two opportunities to send us your list. Secure your date and pay a small deposit, plus we'll follow up with an email containing a form for easy submission or submit it right with your order. Easy peasy. And just a few days before your vacation, you'll receive an itemized invoice. When you arrive, your grocery will be waiting for you at your resort, ready for fun. At Magical Vacation Services, we strive to make grocery delivery as easy and fun as possible. Join thousands of happy guests who have made their magical vacations even more delightful. Happy shopping, and if you have any questions, our friendly team is just a click away. Let's make your vacation magical together.